Chili Tube fans, I am Little Chili. And this is the Helix X4 Stunt. And also, as you see, I also say Air Hogs RC.
Wow.
Right here. Seriously. That comes with a remote control on the back, what looks like this. And also, these is what it can do. Flips, barrel rolls, and 180 flips. Wow. That is amazing. Amazing. And it's pretty much like I'm done, so I'm gonna open it.
Good.
There we go.
Hello. Boleh tama na kani.
Now let's take it out of the box. Here is the instructions. It's a little packet. Here's the remote control. As you see, there's tape right here. Okay, now this is how you charge it. First, this thing actually makes this come out, which is this is a charger. So you pull it out, all the way out, like this. And you see this on the bottom of the on and off button. Then you plug it straight right in there.
Make sure it lines up.
You has to make sure it lines up with the charger pack. And how to turn, you have to see this red light flashing from here. Once you turn it on here, you might see this.
Now we wait.
Look at you. Bulak.
This was actually off. I was just kidding. But when you turn this on, watch the eyes. That awesome? They turn green. It's complete of charging. These two turn red and green. They're already red and green. This one's glowing and this one's glowing.
So let's fly it.
Okay, let's take the charger out, roll it in, and see how it works. It's gonna freak you out. We charged it overnight, and now watch this.
Ah!
Finally did a front flip.
Wow.
Did another flip and landed. When his eyes go like this, you have to plug them in. All right, Chili Tube fans, it's time to go bye-bye.